In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to use free overdraft coverage on Cash App, also known as overdrafting your Cash App card for free. A lot of people don't realize this feature even exists, but once you set it up, it can help you out when you're short on funds. Here's how it works. Cash App will sometimes let your Cash App card go negative by a small amount and then automatically cover the difference. That way, instead of your payment declining at checkout, the transaction goes through. Later, when you receive money or a deposit, it simply repays the negative balance without any overdraft fees like you'd see at a bank. Now, to make sure this feature is turned on, open your Cash App and tap the Money tab. Then scroll down and look for Overdraft coverage. If it's available for your account, you'll see the option to enable it. Just toggle it on, and that's it. If you don't see the setting yet, it usually means you need to have direct deposits of at least $300 per month going into your Cash App. Once you set up direct deposit, the overdraft feature should show up automatically in your settings. When you're eligible, the limit usually starts around $20 to $25, but it can increase up to about $200 depending on your account activity and how much you receive in deposits. For example, let's say you only have $10 in your balance, but you try to buy something that costs $25. With overdraft coverage turned on, Cash App will approve the $25 transaction, your account will go to negative $15, and the next deposit you receive will cover that balance. Just remember, overdraft only works for purchases made with your Cash App card. It doesn't apply to sending money to friends or making transfers, so think of it as a backup option for things like groceries, gas, or other card transactions when your balance is just a little short. And that's it. In this video, you learned how Cash App overdraft coverage works, how to turn it on in the settings, and how to make sure you qualify by setting up direct deposit. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.